Hey everyone, I'm Moment. You might think cutting a clip is super easy, and yeah, it is. But remember, everything feels difficult until you learn it. So, how do we cut a clip in Premiere Pro? First, you can select this little tool right here. Then simply click on the part of the clip where you want to make a cut. Boom, your clip is split. But wait, there's a faster way. Just press C on your keyboard, click on your clip, and cut it instantly. That's it. See, it wasn't that scary after all. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tutorials. See you in the next one. Goodbye.